children, today let's start with Unit 5, Around the World. So let's start with chapter number 32, Unparalleled in the World. So a lot of things in the world are superlatives of their kind. So look at the picture and read the description, and by seeing the clue box you can write the answer. So I'm the largest ocean in the world. I am Pacific Ocean. कौन सा ocean है? Pacific Ocean. I am the largest continent in the world. I am Asia. I am the largest desert in the world. That is your Sahara Desert. Next is I am the largest flower in the world. I am Rafflesia. I am the largest river. सबसे बड़ी रिवर कौन सी है? नाइल. I am the largest island. कौन सा है सबसे largest island? That is Greenland. I am the largest animal in the world. That is blue whale. सबसे largest animal कौन सा है? Blue. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 33, Remarkable Buildings. So, there are many remarkable buildings. So, put the take on the famous building where they are located. First is Statue of Liberty situated in USA. The Opera House situated in Australia. B. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is situated in China. Pyramid of Giza. Where it is situated? That is Egypt. Taj Mahal, India. Eiffel Tower is situated in France. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 34, International Airlines. Now, airlines, what it do? It carry people and goods. ये एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस लोगों को ले जाती है, goods carry करती है, और ये fastest means of transport. So here you have to write the name of the different airlines. इंडिया की क्या है आपकी? एयर इंडिया. नेपाल की रॉयल नेपाल एयरलाइंस. Now Japan Airlines. Now Greece, Olympic Airways. Now Sri Lanka, that is Air Lanka. Next is UK, British Airways. Next is USA, Pan American Airways. Now Russia, Trans Airlines Aeroflot. Now Pakistan, that is Pakistan International Airlines. Next is Singapore, that is Singapore Airlines. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 35, Sightsee. So, write the names with the help of the help box. This is Taj Mahal. What it is, this is Great Wall of China. This is Statue of Liberty. It is Leaning Tower. Leaning Tower of This is Hawa Mahal. Sixth one is Giza ka pyramid. Right? So the world is full of surprises and astonishment of natural wonders spread around all the world. Right? These are lots of beautiful buildings and monuments all over the world. ये एक important events को mark करते हैं. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 36, Flying Machine. So fill in the blanks with the names of the flying machine. आपको यहाँ पे help box corner भी दिया. I am a large bag of air. I rise when I am heated. तो hot air balloon. I carry tourists up and down to the mountain, from one mountain to another, that is helicopter. I am double-decker aircraft, right? My nickname is Super Jumbo. I carry tourists up and down mountain. This is your cable car. I am double-decker airway. This is Airbus. (380). I can fly forward, backward, sideways, up and down, and I can hover at the places. I have no engine. कुछ भी तरह कोई engine नहीं है. Special designed long wings with having me travel for a long period. So I am what? Glider. I have a pen-like shape. I have pen-like shape. I have taken men to moon. Rocket. Now we have completed. Let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 37, that is currency. So in this world, country has its own currency symbolizing glory and collective pride of the nation. So what you have to write? You have to write the name of currency over here. So England की currency क्या है आपकी? That is pound. जापान की क्या है आपकी? येन. Then Australia, that is AUD. AUD. India, everyone knows rupee. जर्मनी की यूरो. USA, USD, that is dollar. नेक्स्ट इज श्रीलंका की है आपकी श्रीलंका रुपी. Next is Bangladesh, it is Taka. Then we have Turkey, that is Lira. सिंगापुर की क्या है आपकी? सिंगापुर रुपी. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 38, National Costumes. So, national costumes worn on special festival days around the world. The people are wearing national costumes of their own country. अपनी अपनी country के पहनते हैं. So, let's study about here the different costumes. First one, ये किसका है आपका? China का. Such type of costumes are worn in China. Chinese वैसे भी आप उससे पहचान सकते हो. Second one is of Japan. ये जापान में पहना जाता है. And third one is of Netherlands. This is your United Arab Emirates, UAE. ये आपके रेड एलियंस है नॉर्थ अमेरिका. North America. This is UK. Sari is born in India. This is of Russia, right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 39, that is taste of the world. So, let's study with the different parts of the world. People eat different types of food. So, आपका पिज़्ज़ा हो गया. पिज़्ज़ा कहाँ का है आपका? इटली का. इटालियन फूड है. Then dosa, India. Next is your burger is of USA. Noodles is of China. Noodles कहाँ का है? चाइना का. Croissants ये फ्रांस का है आपका. Next is fish and rice. It's of Bangladesh. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 40. That is rich and famous. So, let's study about some rich and famous people over here. Brad Pitt belongs to A. Ellen Mitchell belongs to G. C. Tiger Woods belongs to C. Golf. Bill Gates. Computer. Now Oprah, that is television. Michael Jackson, music. Barack Obama, politician. Right? Now we have completed this unit. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.